Hey y'all, it's Bear. Hey, guess what? Winter came and found us in South Carolina. That's right, I've got pants on. Oh man, you know what else? I got sick. And getting sick inspired me this week. So, I went to the grocery store and I'm like, I need sick food. So, chicken noodle soup. Here we go. Canteen Cup Tuesday. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make chicken noodle soup because I realized that you could do this on the trail. Because you're going to do something like this when it's cool out and all this stuff will keep. So, let's do it. Let's cook. Let's make some chicken noodle soup. And today I'm going to use this Gerber. I found this hiking one day. Somebody left it stuck in a tree, and I rescued the tree. There you go. We need garlic. We need onion. I'm using little pearl onions today. I'll tell you, this is one thing about South Carolina. Y'all commented on my shorts. I know it's cold up there where y'all are at, but daggone, we never know what's going to happen. No lie, I have started the day out in shorts and finished the day in snow. I'm going to leave my onion like that so I can get nice big hearty hunks in there. But we'll give this garlic a little. Give it a little cut. All right, that's what we got. That's what's going in the pot. Now, a lot of times you're going to use some butter to do that in, but I'm going to roll with olive oil because you can get those little olive oil packets to take with you out on the trail. So that's what I'm going to use instead of butter today. All right, let's cook. Daggone it. For my chicken today, I'm going to use a Sweet Sioux bag chicken. It's 3 ounces. You can find these at Publix. You can also find them on Amazon, but they're a bit pricey on Amazon to me. Let's go ahead and put the chicken in. Add just a little more black pepper and thyme now that I got the chicken in, but no more salt because we're going to use a bouillon cube for the broth, and that's going to have plenty of sodium. Now we need to add a bouillon cube or 2 to make our broth with. And some water. Alright, let's crank up the heat and get this guy to a boil. One last bit of seasoning, a bay leaf. We're at let's conserve some fuel. Toss in the noodle time. Not quite to a boil. Just using a wide egg noodle today. And we're going to set our chicken for 10 minutes. Now while we're waiting on the chicken to count down, I'll tell you just a touch about my stove real fast. This is the Pathfinder school canteen cup lid, and when I got it, I got the pouch that it comes with, and I bought mine with the Nalgene canteen. Now I bought it from the canteenshop.com, which doesn't exist anymore. It's under a new name now, and they don't have these anyways. They still have some lids, but I'm having a hard time finding these now, as people were asking me about it. You can still find the set on Amazon with the metal canteen. If you search the Pathfinder canteen set. Also, if you go to Dave Canterbury's website, maybe he has some there. It's his school. I don't know. I wish I could tell you more. Maybe I'll do a more extensive video on it later for you. It's getting close. Come on, chicken. I got chicken in the pot. Come on, chicken. Come on, chicken. Ha! There we go, y'all. Soup's on. Watch out, chicken. Parsley. Oh, you gotta come look at this. Man. It's like taking mom to camp with you. Goodness. Oh, this makes me so happy today. I'm sorry you've had to listen to me sound all sick and yucky, but it was my inspiration for this today, and I think it might be worth it. And it is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy right now. There we go, y'all. Fresh homemade chicken noodle soup for the trail. And look here, we'll see you on the trail.